In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a Notion board to manage your work visually. We'll go through the full setup process in a simple, practical way so you can build a board that's easy to understand and even easier to maintain over time. A Notion board is especially useful when you want to track tasks, projects, or workflows in a visual format because it lets you see progress at a glance. To get started, open Notion and create a new database. This database will act as the foundation of your board. So think of it as the place where all of your tasks or project items will live. If you're organizing ongoing work, this setup gives you one central system instead of scattered notes or to-do lists. Once the database is created, choose Board as the database view. This changes the layout into columns, which is what gives the board its clear visual structure. Instead of reading through a long list of items, you'll now be able to scan your work by category or progress stage, which makes planning and reviewing much faster. Next, group the board by something meaningful for the way you work. Common options include status, category, or stage. For example, grouping by status can help you separate items into columns like to do, in progress, and done. Grouping by category may work better if you're tracking different types of work, while stage is useful for a process that follows a sequence. The key is to choose the grouping that helps you understand your workflow most clearly. After that, add items as cards inside each column. Each card represents a task, idea, or work item. Keep the card titles clear and specific so you can instantly tell what each one is about without opening it. This makes the board much more useful when it starts to fill up. To make your board more informative, add properties such as due date, priority, owner, or tags. These details help you filter, sort, and understand your work more effectively. For example, due dates help with deadlines, priority helps you focus, owners show responsibility, and tags can be useful for organizing by theme or topic. As work progresses, move cards between columns. This is one of the biggest advantages of a board view because updating progress becomes fast and visual. Dragging cards from one stage to another helps keep your workflow current and makes it easy to spot what's stalled, what's active, and what's complete. Finally, review the board regularly to manage work visually. A board only stays useful if it reflects reality, so take a moment to update it often. With consistent use, your Notion board becomes a simple, flexible system for staying organized and keeping projects moving forward.